Hi, good day. This is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and welcome to this journey. And for today's journey, we will go to the beach side of North Jeddah. So as we continue this travel, we can see the improvements here in Jeddah and also the effect of the pandemic in about 1 year. So join me in my journey this day, and thank you for watching our video. So this is Sawarimon here in Shati. The effect of the pandemic in this mall is almost 90% of the store is closed. So before, we are buying from here, especially groceries, there is an otain inside the store, but now it is deserted because of the pandemic. So as we continue this travel, we can see more improvements and also negative effects of the pandemic about this coronavirus. So we will travel north. This is the King's Road, and we will turn right. So before I was biking, I was always running in this path about 3 kilometers per day. We can see new in this area now. There's some kind of construction. The things that we'll do, 'cause I wanna drive through the summer night. So there is new construction from here, and it looks like a footbridge because they make it here, and also they have construction all over in the center island also. So it is convenience for the peds and also for the bikers to cross the street, because the beach side is only in that east side. But the problem, because there is no road or there is no footbridge in this highway, it is very dangerous to cross. That's why we are going to the globe roundabout and travel about 14 kilometers so that we can reach the crossing, and we will cross this street and to go to the beach side or the bike lane or the waterfront here in Jeddah. So we will continue. It is a very nice improvement here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. I appreciate that you are watching this video. Help us in growing this channel by clicking like and also subscribe. And if you want the updates, you can click notification. So that's the King's Road, and it's very wide. So we can see the balance. In this part, there is a desert in our right side, but on the left side is already developed. There's a huge buildings. We will continue and see in other parts what is improvement here in Jeddah. So previously in Shati, in our place, the road is 3 lanes, but the government they have changes in the roads and make it 2 lanes and make the gutter more bigger. And also there's kind of humps that it is very easily to cross. Before that, last year there is one guy got accident because in that road the cars, they are running too fast, and one time there is an accident and he died immediately. But now, this pandemic time, there is too much improvement here in Jeddah, the streets, constructions, and many things. They are planning to have a good reputation for the tourists that is transforming in this country. Now the women is driving, and also there is no necessity for the baya. And also one thing, in the masjid, only the adhan, they got to have or they own their speaker. But after the adhan, when the proper prayer, there is no more allowed speaker that it is on. So we'll continue to this ride this morning.
Baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life.
So as we saw before, there is a construction of, it's like a footbridge, but this is the reality, and this is the footbridge here in the front of the Vidz Mall, and it's almost finished. So it's very nice. So many people can cross this King's Road that it is very dangerous before to cross. So this is the Vidz footbridge that you can easily cross to the Vidz Mall, that previously it is impossible to cross, especially in the rush hour. So it is very nice. No need to travel later on to the globe runabout to cross the streets and going to the seaside here in Jeddah. So it's very nice. It's almost done already. One car mall or auto mall here, so we will try to go in this area. So as we can see, there is deserted, and there is also many establishment is close to this area. But the nice thing, we can see there is an improvement, or there is some kind of upgrade that going on in the building. So almost of this area is the dealer or the car store. So it is a very nice place.
You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever.
So returning again now to the King's Road.
Best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing.
So we are approaching to this globe runabout now, and we will turn left to cross the street. So this is the globe runabout. It's like a link so that you can go to the beach side or the Jeddah waterfront. So we found also one biker. So now I will continue to travel going to the eastbound. will have to cross the street and bounding to the south. So actually it is nice to bike in this part because you can remove your mask because it is not a crowded area. We found here one accommodation of the workers, so it means there is a new construction that's going in this area. About 3 months we are not going in this area, and now we can see here there is a huge development for one side. It is closed and we cannot go there now. I don't know where is the other road, so we need to turn this place. So it is a huge construction going on here, and we will try to find a way to go to the beach. There's a big improvement here in Jeddah. Looking for the road where we can go to this area because it's a huge improvement over here. They're making many constructions, so it's almost 1 month we are not going here, but it's very fast, the development of this country. So we try to go over here. I hope we can find a way soon going to the beach side. I think we found a way, but still under construction. So all in this area is under construction, improvements for the tourists. So also the one building at my back is stopped constructing, maybe the effect of the pandemic. So, and it is failed mission. We are going to this one now because this area is under construction. So later on when we return here, it will be very good. So thank you once again for joining me in this journey this morning, and you can help improve this channel by liking and also subscribing, and if you want the updates you can click the notification bell. So this is Prexyll and Prexyll vidz. This is Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Will be a big or a huge improvement soon for the tourist area. So good day.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and